Welcome back. Katie Inspired here. My daughter's lights are on her wall because I'm in her room. How cute are those lights? Anyways, focus. I'm going to be doing my fridge cleaning video. Why is it blue? It's like a blue glare. Oh my God, whatever. So I'm going to be doing my fridge cleaning video. That's throwing me off. I'm going to be doing my fridge cleaning video today, and it's bad. It's really bad. I don't know why you're watching it because it's bad. Bad. So I got to take everything out. I'm going to bleach everything down, disinfect it, clean it really good. My freezer is good because I actually just cleaned that not long ago. So I'm going to do the fridge and I'll show you the before and we'll do the afters and we'll go ahead and go and get into it. So the light in our fridge is out. Look how full and gross. These are broke. Right here's broke. That's broke. Sprinkles all over. Everything's thrown everywhere. Everything's everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, start cleaning, wipe everything down, organize. So to wash the grates or the shelves for the fridge, I had a sink full of Dawn dish soap and bleach, and I'm just scrubbing them. And then to clean the inside of the fridge, I'm using the Jaws cleaner bottle, but it's like the Lysol tab thing you put in there from Walmart because I didn't get the actual Jaws replacement. But that's what I spray the inside of the actual fridge with, and just scrubbing everything down.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh. Somebody else, and that is you, ooh. Falling in with you, not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tonight is slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. Into my life, let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want
So I'm just about done. I'm finishing up wiping everything down, and the fridge had been like this for a while, so really needed done. But this is the after, and it looks so clean and so organized. The handles, or not the handles, like the things that hold it into place on the door are still broken. And I was being just horrible, and I just used like white heat treat tape. But that is the after, and it's so much cleaner and looks so much more organized, and we could see what's in there so leftovers don't go bad as quick. So fridge is clean, everything's organized. I look like I always look. No difference here. So fridge is clean, everything's organized finally, and that's gonna be it for this one.